Hello guys, and welcome to the simple unboxing video of this Hawkster Seema drone. I got this for 5000 rupees from Amazon. And to all the people who are asking is this drone legal or not, let me tell you one thing. Any drone which is below 250 grams in India, that is called nano drone, and this category also includes Mavic Mini, the drone which is launched by DJI very early. I think it was launched in the early parts of 2019. That is also a nano drone, and you don't need the certificate of those drones, but you have to maintain a simple height on which you can fly. You can't go beyond that, and I think that is 20 meters now in India. So 100% this is a legal drone, and you don't need any documents or a flying certificate to operate it. Now the packaging is really good by the seller, and you can't ask for anything else in 5000 rupees. Now let's keep this aside and you take a look at the drone. Now just to let you know, I've started ordering drones from India because I've ordered drones from China as well, and you can say merely 10,000 rupees of mine has drowned because custom sees the drone. So it's better to pay more and get the product delivered instead of wasting so much of money on fancy drones and custom seizing it. And also from China you have to wait a lot, so that's the thing. Now I'll tell you some features of this drone. One key takeoff and landing button is there in this. 360 flip, that's very common now. 6 axis gyroscope, this will keep your drone stable. Headless mode, good feature. Flashing LED lights, so it is, I think, night compatible. I mean, if you will have good light, the drone can fly in night. You can see it. 2.4 gigahertz frequency, that's not really good. I mean, 5 gigahertz frequency will take your drone to above 200 meters, but this will be around 100 meters frequency. Barometer set height and camera version with hover function. So this means that your drone will be stable at one height. That's really good. And battery charging socket, nothing. So I've ordered a white version. You can see, you can also go for a black version, and nothing else. The app which you need to install is Seema Fly, which is mentioned here, and nothing else for now. Now let's open the drone and show you guys what I've got in 5000 rupees. Hope it will be a good buy for me. First drone I've ordered from India. Okay, so first you get this user manual. You can read all the instructions here, and the good part is it is in English, not that Mandarin Chinese language. Typical, I just hate those books. Now this is your drone, beautiful white drone. We'll open this. Let's keep this drone away first. First we will look at the accessories we get. Here is a one battery. You can also go for a 2 battery drone. It will cost you around 5300 rupees. Now this is the charging cable. You can plug your battery like this and it will start charging. Now you will plug it in the USB charger, and once this light will turn off, it means that your battery is full and you can take it off. Now here are the 4 propellers which you get, 4 extra one if you, in case if you break any one. Now this is your controller, and you need to insert 3 or 4 batteries in it. I don't have the screwdriver, so I can't open it and show you guys. I'm really sorry about that. Now you can turn it on from this button. It goes in and it's turned on, and you can place your mount here for the smartphone, but I don't have it. The seller has missed it. Now you can see the joystick is in the center, and the drones with the joystick in the center, they mean that they are the altitude hold drone. So if you set it at one pace, at one height, the drone will be stable. It won't go up or down or will not change the direction. This is your direction control key, and these are all the worthless key. Don't need to worry about that. Now this this is your one key takeoff, one key landing button, 360, the flip button, this the second one, and these are the worthless button. You don't need to worry about this. The speed you can just push it. I think you should push it down, or I don't know, but these are the basic things for this remote controller. Now onto the drone. This is your cute little drone. You have these prop guards in this, you can't remove them, I think. And talking about the battery, this is a 3.7 volt 400 mAh battery, I think. Let me check. Yeah, 3.7 volt 400 mAh battery, and with this you can have a flight time of about 8 to 9 minutes, but I think you will have a flight time of about 5 to 6 minutes. And this drone can go as high as 40 meters in the Wi-Fi signal. And if you're not doing your Wi-Fi and all, if you're not into video footages, this can go over 40 meters, I think, also. So this is a four axis drone, four axis, or yeah, I think this is a four axis drone, four channel drone. I'm really sorry about that, four channel drone. And this is a very durable thing. I mean, if you are holding this in your hand, no weight is felt. When you just put your battery in it, then you can have some weight. So I really like this drone. Now I'll tell you how to turn it on. And push this battery in. No, this is the wrong way. This was the okay. And you can see this red button, you can turn it on, and you can see the. Now let's see if this drone is compatible in night or not. Let's turn off the light, and you can see the light blinking. Really good. I really liked it. This is 100% a night compatible drone. You can also fly it in the night. Now we'll talk about the camera. The camera is really good. You can see the wide lens camera, high definition 5MP camera. And now the last thing, the battery thing. For charging the battery you need 90 minutes for the full charge, and it will give you 6 minutes of power. So now 5,000 rupees, very good product, very rigid product. I think very durable it will be because of these prop guards. Your propellers won't break easily. So this is very lightweight. The chances of it getting broken is really less. So if you're looking for anything like hobby for your kid or for yourself also, I am a 23-year-old flying this drone. So if you are looking to rule the sky, and if you're looking to master this drone and going for a higher version, you can take this and you can master it up. Hello guys, so finally after 8 months of use, I'm back with the flying test of this drone, and I'm really sorry for taking this long. Actually, you guys won't realize that I got this drone in December, and this is now month of August. So I unboxed the drone in December, and I've been moderately using it for 8 months now. But I'm really sorry that I could not upload the flying test. So first of all, when we talk about this Syma X22 SW drone, I have not seen any videos on YouTube where detail of transmitter is mentioned, that what are the functions of the transmitter. So first of all, I will tell you, for as I said, 4 AA batteries inserted in the drone. And I don't know if I have told you or not, we get 2 batteries with the drone. 3.7 volt 400 mAh battery, which will give you a power of around 7 to 10 minutes depending upon your style of play. If you are 360 flipping the drone, and if you are continuously moving it to some direction, it will have some you can say impact on the battery, and the battery performance will be less. But if your drone is stable, if you are stably flying it, then it will surely give you a good battery backup. So we just need to insert this battery like this, and I will tell you the functions of the transmitter. So to open the transmitter, press this button and the transmitter is on. Now let's open the drone as well. So a bright drone is opened, and first of all, if you need to calibrate the drone, calibration means to stable the drone. I mean, if your drone, when you fly it, it is moving this way, forward, backward, so you need to calibrate it. And to calibrate it, first we need to pair the drone up, down, and you can see, but the drone is very bright, so it is paired. To just calibrate it, you can push these two throttles to this side, and you can see the light of the drone. Again we will show you. I am pressing the throttle, you can see the lights flashing, and then when the light is bright, you can just see that the drone is calibrated. First function. The second function is the trim function. So if you want to trim the drone, trim means that if your drone is moving this side, forward, backward, and after calibration also your drone is not stable, so you can do the calibration. And to do the calibration, this throttle and push it, you can see a beep, and just press it. And if you are calibrating it, you just need to press this button like this, up and down. So to calibrate the drone, it is very simple. I'll tell you. You just keep pushing this button, and if your drone is drifting to the left side, so you can press this right button. If your drone is drifting towards this right side, you should press left, and if left, then you should press this right. If it is moving forward, then again push this button, keep pushing it, and down. If it's moving backwards, again keep pushing it and ahead. So these are the trim function, and you can you can continue trimming it until it is not at all balanced. So this is about the trim functions. Then the speed control of these drone, there are two speed controls. One is normal, that is slow, and other one is fast. So this button, you just need to push a little bit, you can see double beep, that means that it is on a fast mode. So one means that it is on a slow mode. Again second mode, fast mode again, so it is on a slow mode now. To turn on the headless function, you need to press this button for a long time. You can see that these some tone is on. Now headless mode means that the headless mode is on in the drone. You can see lights flashing, you can see it is flashing, so the headless mode is on. And to exit the headless mode, again for some time, and the headless mode is off. So headless mode means that when you are flying the drone, the camera part is ahead of you. But in headless mode, when you enter headless mode, you can rotate it like anywhere, and when you will the drone will still come to you if you just press this down button. So headless mode means that you can rotate to your drone in any location or at any position, and it will still be controllable like this only, in the normal circumstances, in the normal way, like you control. It will come down if you press the down button. So this is the headless mode. Now this is the one key takeoff and one key landing button. If you press this button, the drone will take off, and when you want to take it down, you can press this button and it will go down. This is the 360 flip button. This is not a normal 360 flip. You need to press this button. I mean, if you want to do a 360 flip, you should keep pressing this button and then in the direction where you want to flip. Keep pressing this button and in the direction you want to flip. So this is how 360 work. So now we'll go on to the onto the app thing now. So for the app, you just need to go to the Play Store from your Android phone and you should search Seamafly. As you can see, Seamafly. This is a 44 MB file and you can download it and you can open the file. So we need to first connect the app and I'll show you the interface of the application as well. Wi-Fi, FE Wi-Fi. So it is connected. Now onto your app, Seamafly app. Let's open it, start it, connect. It is already connected. Start, and you can press this button. You can see the image quality, it's just fine, but Seema is one brand which is famous like DJI. So I can say that this is the second most famous brand of drones after DJI. So you can bank on it. I got this drone, as I told you, for 5,000 rupees from Amazon, but uh, because drones are banned in India and for the other purpose, for taxation and all, they are charging this much amount. But if you are international buyer buying from AliExpress or Banggood, you will get this drone under $20 or maybe $25, not for around 5,000 rupees, which is close to $80. So this is a budget deal for everyone, for Indians as well, because of course we are not getting any drone. So you can see the interface. You can see if it is visible or not. Here is the antenna showing. I'm really sorry for the clarity of the video. I'll make sure that I buy some good camera. So above this transmitter thing, you can see above this transmitter thing, you are getting green signal. You can see green lights. So this is the Wi-Fi signal. Green means that all the thing is green, means that the Wi-Fi signal is very strong. If your drone will go forward, if your drone will ascend, so this may come down, and come down when the signal is weak. So when the signal is negligible, I mean it is down to this point, it means that it is the limit and you need to just bring your drone back. So this is the picture thing. uh, if you need to turn on the video, you just press this button and press this red button and the video will be on. Now again you press this button, so pictures will be on. So to click the pictures, click this button to turn the video, this, and again press this to turn off. Here's the file where you can see all the images, video, and this is the video file where you can see the videos and all. See, so this was the interface. And to fly a drone from this application is also very easy. The interface is really cool. So you just need to press this button, white one, and the motors will be on. 1K takeoff button. You can see. I'm sorry I'm not able to show you my drone, but the interface is really good. You can also fly from this app as well. So now we'll land the drone, and now on to the flying test and the video quality. So now on to our simple flying test. You can see the drone. Now turn on the transmitter, push one up down and it is paired. So the motors are on and 1 key takeoff landing button. You can see the drone is so smooth. It is not as smooth as the DJI Tello drone, but in this range you can't expect much. The drone is really stable, as you can see. So now we'll move on to our flying test. One thing more, if these lights flash like this, it means that the battery is dead and you need to charge it. It is recording.
अरे मेरे छुट्टी रिकॉर्ड दो उड़ा अरे बैटरी शिट
So first of all guys, I'm really sorry for the quality of the video. You can see that the control sticks were visible on the screen, but the problem is I recorded that video a while ago, and that time ago I was using another app. I was not aware of the SEMA Fly app because I didn't come to know about it, but now when I've come to know about it, I've made the video. But when I didn't knew, I just used another app, and in that app I could not save my video. So that is why I screen recorded it, and that is why the controls were appearing. So in the video you can see that only one Wi-Fi signal was lost and three sticks were still present there. That means that I actually gained 70 to 80 meters of height, and we can gain close to 200 meters if that range is to be true. If the three signals are be true, we can gain a bit 200 meters height. That is a lot. So for that, this drone is just best. This is just a mini machine, you can see, and this is really sturdy. I've used it for 7 months. You can see there is no scratch on the camera, on the propeller or anything. And trust me guys, I've just flied it for around 1 to 2 times every week, but there is no impact. I've collided it many times, but it is really sturdy. So for a budget price of 5,000 rupees in India, and for other guys, other international buyers, this drone will cost you around $25 to $30, as I said. A company like SEMA, that is very, you can say that is very famous, and they are a giant in the drone making world, so you can trust them and you can surely go for this drone. You can say this is the best ever drone in India right now. There are many others. I have also unboxed E88 drone in one video. That is good drone, but that is simply unbranded. But this is a branded drone, a brand like SEMA. You are getting a brand like SEMA, and this drone is still available on Amazon, but it is not getting the highlight which is needed by it. So I'll give you a link, and hope you like my video. And for more unboxing review video of drones, please stay tuned to my channel. And if you do like my content, please hit the subscribe button, because I don't have much subscribers. So stay tuned for more. Stay vaccinated, keep wearing mask, and bye bye for now.